Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beliza. It's all about beauty and grace. I hope you guys are doing good. You guys know from last week itself, I have started a new series on YouTube, which is the winter skin and body care products. So on the last video, I have showed you my favorite body lotion, moisturization, and body oil. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite scrub, my favorite body scrub. Before going to the video, I want to tell you guys like why do we need scrubbing, like why body scrub is needed during winter. So basically we all know that in winter our skin become extra dry, and when our skin become extra dry, it start itching, and when we start itching our skin, we see that the white flakes, our skin is becoming white while scratching it too much, and then it becomes dry. You can see some dry flakes, and that's the reason we always mention use a good amount of moisturization so that it get locked into your skin. But before doing the moisturization, we have to do another step, which is a body scrub, which is really very important. Though right now it's not that cold, but as I told you last time, that weather has already started changing, so this is the right time to just do the proper body care routine for the winters. And what happened when we like for example, I'm staying at home, right? Like over here the weather is very cold, them early in the morning, something around till 7 or 8 a.m. it's too cold, like it's cold, the weather is cold. Then again after 8 p.m. The weather is quite good. The wind is quite cold, the weather is quite cold. But in between the time from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. the weather is normal, like it's not that cold, it's not that hot, it's somewhere in between. Sometimes I feel very hot, so I have to switch on the fan and AC. Sometimes like okay, so what happens, and when we go out we feel cold because of the the cold wind, because of that outside weather. So the indoor weather and the outside weather, like the hot weather in the indoor and the cold weather outside, the mixture of both, it makes our skin too dehydrated, and that's the reason we get too much of dead skin cell into our skin, which is not a good thing. So for that, scrubbing is really very important. Of course, I'm not going to tell you to do scrubbing every single day, not at all. Once or twice a week is sufficient for your body. So if you can, please do scrubbing at least once a week. It will be better if you can do twice, but scrubbing is really very important. Now let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the first body scrub which I will be showing to you guys is from the house of The Body Shop, and this is the strawberry softening body polish. So this is the Body Shop the scrub. This is the strawberry body polish scrub, and really it smells really good. And one thing you guys all know, that the scrub always contains some small granules, which really becomes very good to exfoliate your skin. Otherwise you can't exfoliate your skin and it won't be a smooth process. So this is a strawberry scrub. I have used a lot, you can see just a little bit left, and this really good. The texture is really very jelly because it's strawberry. It smells like sweet strawberry, and it got some granules as well. It smells really sweet, really smells exactly like strawberry, that's sweet and that bitter. The mixture of that smell is really good, and it contains some granules, or you can see it can contain some seeds of strawberry, you can say. This is it. I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can see this is the granules. Yeah, this is the granules, and this is called bark. So no matter how the texture of the scrub is, whether it's thin, thick, or it's like okay, it's always good if you just dilute it in water. Otherwise the process of scrubbing will not be smooth, it will become too thick. So take a bit, then take a bit of water, dilute both together into your hand, into your body, everywhere, and you can see it will exfoliate more and it will lathers up more, and the process will be too good, and it will be a very smooth process, just like I'm telling you how to do it. So take a bit like this. Okay, so this looks really super cool, you can see this really good, and this is a bit runny in textures, and just start scrubbing it, and you can see how nicely it's lathering it up. It's a jelly texture, so it looks really good. And you can see this scrub particle, this is the granules which you will get inside the scrub. So this take more water and just scrub it with your hands. But the best part is I don't have loofah right now, it's always in the washroom. So you can dilute it, exfoliate it with loofah, which works really good. With ladders are really good, foams are really good, and the scrubbing process goes really smooth. So this is how it looks. Now moving on to second scrub. So this is from Nykaa and it's an Indian brand. So this is a Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom scrub, and we all love Japanese cherry blossom. You guys know it smells too good. It's not that powdering, it's not overpower, it's very nice, very sweet, and the fragrance lingers to your body for quite a moderate time. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is also transparent packaging, but it got a hint of baby pink into it. And if you can see, you can also see I have used this as well, and only this portion is left. And this is how the texture looks like. Okay. So this is a bit thick in texture compared to the Body Shop. So this is how texture looks like. It's transparent in color, and it really looks transparent. It's like when you caramelize sugar, when you just give sugar a stir, like mixing sugar, this is how exactly it looks like. So this is how it also smells amazing. It smells exactly like cherry blossom. It smells so good, and as I told you, I love fragrance things, especially during my shower time. This really looks good, and obviously once you exfoliate, it also lathers up really well. This is from Nykaa. Okay, moving on to the third one, which is from Tree Hut. This is an this is a USA brand, and this is a shea sugar scrub. So of course we guys know we love shea butter is so good for dry skin. Brown sugar is so good for exfoliating your skin, and not only this, it contains almond and honey, and we know almond is so good for our skin. It makes our skin so glowy, it makes our skin so super smooth, super soft. And honey, of course, honey is such a nice ingredient for dry skin. It really moisturizes your skin, it really makes your skin so hydrating, it nourishes your skin. So honey is really good for your skin. So it made with shea butter, almond extract and honey. You all know shea butter is so good for dry skin, it improves your elasticity. Almond is good for your brightening and brightens up your skin, moisturize your skin. Honey is so good for nourishing your skin. There's so many good ingredients are there in this scrub, which is really amazing. It's slightly on the expensive side, but it's really worth it, and I really love using it. This is how the container, how the scrub looks like. It's a bit in runny texture. This is how the scrub looks like. It's a bit runny texture, so you have to be very careful. But it looks exactly like sugar. It's like looks exactly like brown sugar. Slightly on the expensive side, but it's really worth it. Definitely, it's a must buy. Definitely, it's a still buy. If you can go for it. For dry skin people, this specially scrub, which contains such amazing dry skin ingredients, you guys need to check it out. So I will link down everything on description from where you can get it and what is the price and quantity, everything. Don't forget to check it out. Now moving on the last one, and like as we all say, saving the best for the last. Scrub is from Mamaearth. It is a Upton body scrub, and it not only body scrub, it can remove your tan as well. So it contains turmeric and saffron, and we all know turmeric and saffron is so good for our skin. It is such an amazing ingredient. It brightens up your skin, it improves your skin texture, it lightens up your skin tone, like obviously the tanning I'm talking about. It lightens up the tanning, and on that process you get back your original skin tone, which somewhere got lost for the tanning and all. So this contains so many good ingredients, and this is personally my favorite scrub. Been using it for a few months, and I truly genuinely love it. This looks like a mousse. It's like a mousse kind of texture, like a cream kind of texture. How it looks like, it looks so good, and it instantly lightens up your skin. Once you started using it, instantly lightens up your skin. You can see how beautifully it looks like. Oh my god, I love this scrub. This is by far my best scrub out of this 4, but definitely all the 4 scrubs are amazing. Just give a try and you will yourself feel the difference. After using few weeks, you will see the difference all by yourself. So you can see how beautiful it looks like. It exactly looks like haldi and like turmeric. Beautiful texture, very natural, very good for skin, and very safe for skin. Contains jojoba oil, avocado oil, lemon oil, apricot oil, saffron, turmeric, so many oils this scrub contains, which means it's so essential, so hydrating for our skin. So I love it, and if you can definitely try this one. That's all for it. So this is the fourth scrub which I've been using, and I am all into this scrubs, and I love this scrub because this really makes my skin, my dry skin, too good. Dry skin, soft, healthy and nourishing. So definitely go and give a try, especially during the winter time, during the dry skin time, because it's really important to scrub your skin so that all the dead skin gets removed and you get a very nice, healthy, nourishing skin. So guys, that's a wrap, and I really hope you guys like the video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my future upload. And I'm going to come with another new interesting video. So till then, do take care, and you guys know how much I love you because you guys mean a lot to me. Take care, see you soon, bye.